Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how I painted some of the backgrounds and the elements I used on my one book July. I am not a professional, obviously, but these tiny flowers are super easy to draw and a great option to get started. Before starting, let me show you the kind of brushes I am going to use. These ones are super cheap. I paid around €1 for each one, but they work super good when I want to draw fine lines and little details. As you can see, I need urgently a new zero. And now let's get started. Once everything is dry, I love to add little lines on the edges to create some shadows. And this is the end result. Don't you think it looks so cute? Now they are ready to be used. Next, I'm going to show you some other drawings I made inside my journal. And on this page I just made a frame with 3 lines and some dots. This is just an example, super simple drawings, but if you think that maybe flowers are too tricky, start creating some mosaics like the one I'm going to show you next. I ended up drawing 2 lines of this kind of tiles. I really hope you find some inspiration to start adding your own drawings into your journals. It really is a unique touch that no one else will have. See you very soon. Bye bye.